So here we have the BMW i4 40 Sport, finished in the sapphire black, featuring the glass sunroof, along with a whole host of factory fitted option packs. These include the Comfort Plus package, the technology pack, and the parking assistance system plus package. As you can see, the vehicle is fully prepared. And superb condition throughout. Video camera in front, just below the badge of the grille there, and you've got video cameras in both windows. That is your parking assistance system plus. Gives you a 360 view of the car. So you've got the memory seat with it having the Comfort Plus pack, the heated steering wheel, Harman Kardon, wireless charging, head-up display. It's prepared for adaptive cruise control. But as you can see, it is in immaculate condition throughout. This vehicle has covered just over, well there we go, 26,897 miles. It benefits from the full widescreen system. Also has Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And if you're coming out of a driveway somewhere and you can't see, you can flick your camera button and it'll give you a wide angle lens. Very, very useful equipment. Your head-up display projects all your information onto your windscreen. Into the rear, so we have tri-zone air conditioning. We also have a further 2 USB-C ports in the rear of the vehicle. We've got a 3-pin charger in the bag. We've got the Type 2 to Type 2 cable just there. Harman Kardon subwoofer and guitar inflator. All these boards come out hand-making what was the plastic convention pattern. There we have it, BMW i4 40 Sport with the technology pack, the Comfort Plus pack and the parking assistance system plus package, along with the nice glass sunroof. Thank you for watching.